Back to the channel, everyone. I'm working on the client's living room makeover, and today it starts with something every home definitely deserves: a beautiful new sectional sofa with an ottoman. So let's unbox this sofa and see how it sets the stage for an inviting and stylish space. Let's get right into it. Before, bare bones, just studs, concrete floors, no walls, and now here's the after. Yes, there is a pool table for now, but that will be moved. I even did a little mock-up so she could see what the space would look like, what it could become cozy and classic with that modern little farmhouse edge to it. And today, we're taking the first steps in her living room makeover with something that makes definitely, as I said before, all the difference, which is a sofa. So let's get unboxing this. So thank you, Vesgantti, for sponsoring today's video, and I'll leave that link down below in the description box. So today we're starting with a much cleaner slate, just with the boxes from Vesgantti Home, and thank you again for sponsoring this. This living room is open. It's filled with natural light, a lot of natural light, as you can see here, with the big open windows, and we want to honor that by keeping the space very bright, airy, but yet adding that touch of warmth and that inviting feel, so you could just feel like you just want to cuddle here on the sofa or come and watch television for a while. So here's the design board with some of the beautiful colors this sectional comes in. For this project, I chose the 3-piece with the additional ottoman, and it was the perfect fit for this room. Now let's get it all unboxed and see how it transforms the space. Love that the homeowner was right here, definitely with me, ready to jump in and get this all done. The packaging was very impressive, nothing broken, nothing missing. The cushions came vacuum sealed perfectly inside of the boxes, which means they'll take a little time to fully expand. So patience here is definitely key, and it won't happen in a day. Nothing is ever built in a day, as they say. So now let's talk about the dimensions, because the scale matters definitely in this living room and any living room. The sofa is 108 inches long. While I know that number sounds very huge, but it's actually longer than the average sofa. The seating depth is generous too, and it's very comfortable, and the seat height measures 21 inches. That's from floor to the top of the cushion, and that makes it very practical, not too low for older adults or anybody that doesn't want to sit too low on the floor, and not too high for those little ones to climb onto. So overall, it stands at 35.5 inches, giving it the presence in the room without completely overpowering the space. But I think it's the perfect fit for this space because we wanted to really cozy it up. Now you can order an additional blanket from Vesgantti as well. It comes with one blanket. So it's very easy to assemble with all of the parts as you see us doing included, and it also comes with 2 different leg sizes. So if you desire to have a lower choice, you can have that, or you can have the taller leg to add on to the sofa, which is what we're going to use on today. And again, it's featured in this beautiful chenille fabric. Absolutely love the color. It's not that yellowish creamy color. It's a very off-white calming color. So let's keep unboxing. And there's something so satisfying about this part of the process, which is cutting open the packages, hearing that little rush of air, and watching the cushions slowly rise as they take their shape. It is almost like watching the room come to life piece by piece. It starts undoing. I also love about this sofa is the practicality. The fabric covers are removable, which makes it very easy and versatile for cleaning. So especially if you have little ones running around, or if you're like me and you just want a reassurance that your investment can stay fresh and beautiful over a period of time. So let's talk about the comfort touches. The blanket actually ships separately, so when it arrives, it's this softest, fuzziest perfect piece for layering for those cozy fall nights, which are to come, to curl up and just get your relaxation in. Now let's get into the assembly, because I know that's on everyone's mind. The legs are extremely easy to attach, as you can see here. And yes, they provided a really detailed instruction book. It was very clear and concise, clear pictures, call outs that highlight all of the features as well. But honestly, most people could put this together without ever opening the book. It's really that simple. Everything clamps together with sturdy little brackets so that once it's in place, it stays put, so you don't have to worry about that. And there's also a brace across the back. Everything locks securely in place, which I definitely appreciate the stability, because that's definitely important, again, for a high traffic area like a living room. So once the main frame was set in place, it was time to place the arms, and those simply just slide right into position. You don't have to worry about that. Clean, seamless, no fuss. And I have to highlight this part also, this thoughtful little detail. It even comes with a handy little remote keeper that attaches neatly to the side of the sofa. Those small touches like that really make a difference in everyday living, because let's be honest, how many times have you lost the remote between the cushions and start to blame everybody in the world for it, and you're the only one in the room? Sectional is fully assembled, soft, supportive cushions, cozy blanket for layering, smart features like the removable covers, the little remote keeper, and the design that feels both classic and very current. It's very comfortable, it's versatile, and it really does elevate the room, especially in here, while still being a budget conscious choice. So that balance of beauty and practicality, in my opinion, is exactly what I like for pieces that I bring into a client's home, that they have the choice to choose. And as you can see, it's not just functional, it's pretty to boot. So as always, stay inspired, motivated, keep moving, creating something beautiful. If not for yourself, then definitely for someone else. I'll leave the link down below for Vesgantti. Stick with me, because the full room makeover will be coming in a few days. Thanks. See you later. Bye.